Hello, so let's have a look at this BJT circuit. This circuit is called as fixed bias with emitter resistor or fixed bias with emitter degeneration resistor. So we know that this emitter resistor is placed here to provide the stability of the circuit to avoid the harmonic distortion and as you can see, this is an NPN transistor with the pins base, collector and the emitter, and the base emitter voltage is VBE, collector to emitter voltage is VCE, and it is called fixed bias because when we apply supply voltage VCC, from the supply voltage you place a resistor and connect it to the base, so that provides the biasing from the supply voltage itself. And there are two loops where you can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. The first is VCC minus IBRB minus VBE minus IERE equal to 0. So there is a current flowing through this base resistor IB. There is the VBE here, and that's the current flowing through the RE is emitter current. Second loop that you can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law is VCC minus ICRC actually, minus VCE minus IRE equal to 0. So there are two loops that we've just seen to apply to calculate various voltages and the currents. So it's called fixed bias because the biasing is provided through a fixed resistor RB through which the current can be flown, and rest of the operation of this NPN BJT transistor would be same.